Have you ever run your tongue over your teeth and felt a rough, gritty texture? That, my friends, is dental tartar, and it's more common than you might think. While a bright white smile is often associated with good health, many of us are harboring a silent threat in our mouths. This stubborn substance can lead to a whole host of dental problems, from bad breath to gum disease. But don't despair. There are simple, natural remedies you can incorporate into your routine to combat this dental foe. To understand how to fight tartar, we need to understand its origins. It all begins with dental plaque, a sticky film that constantly forms on our teeth. Plaque is actually a biofilm, a living colony of bacteria that thrives on the sugars in our food. These bacteria produce acids that attack tooth enamel, leading to cavities. When plaque isn't removed through regular brushing and flossing, it hardens into tartar, also known as calculus. This hardened plaque is much more difficult to remove with just a toothbrush, and can only be effectively addressed by a dental professional. While professional dental cleanings are essential, there are things you can do at home to prevent tartar buildup and maintain a healthy smile. One such remedy involves two common household ingredients: baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is mildly abrasive, helping to break down hardened plaque. It also creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, neutralizing those harmful acids produced by bacteria. Hydrogen peroxide, on the other hand, is a powerful antiseptic that can kill the bacteria responsible for plaque formation. To make this simple remedy, combine 4 teaspoons of baking soda with half a cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Mix well and use it to brush your teeth for 2 minutes, followed by your regular toothpaste. This mixture can be used 2 to 3 times a week. Remember, a healthy mouth starts with a healthy diet. Sugar is a major culprit in plaque formation, as it feeds the bacteria that produce harmful acids. Limiting your sugar intake is crucial for maintaining good oral health. On the other hand, certain nutrients can actually help protect your teeth. Vitamin K2, for example, plays a vital role in mineralization, the process by which minerals like calcium are deposited into bones and teeth. Ensuring adequate intake of vitamin K2 through foods like fermented foods or a supplement can contribute to stronger, healthier teeth. By making simple changes to your routine and adopting a tooth-friendly diet, you can take control of your oral health and say goodbye to dental tartar for good.